Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Hey, it is April with Plan with April. And today, since it's Friday Fun Day, I thought it would be cool to just show you guys how I do some of my pen pal stuff. I know, you're thinking, April, why in the world would we want to watch your pen pal stuff? Well, because it's Fun Friday, and sometimes I'm not the only one who does pen paling. I imagine there's quite a few of us out there. I say that because I know there's quite a few of us out there that do pen pals, pen palettes. So here we are. We are going to do some pen paling today. I'm going to match these up really quick. These are kind of, if you saw my other plan with me, I did use these in another plan with me that I really, really enjoyed. I want these to go on the front of those. So I've got three of those. I've got three letters ready to go out. And I just thought I would decorate their envelopes with you today, as well as, I want to add that. So one of those. Sorry. I got sidetracked by all the shininess here. Like that's never happened before. Anyway, I think a lot of us do different things. Pen paling is one of those things that I do because I find it absolutely relaxing, and I love finding out about other people through letters. I know it's really old-fashioned. I get that. I understand that. But in the same sense, it's such a cool thing to do. And, I don't know about you, but I usually have a lot of junk mail. Rarely do I have happy mail, and that's what I call letters. I refer to my pen pals as people who write me beautiful, beautiful letters, and I adore them. So if you are looking for a pen pal, or you have never pen palled before and you don't know what it's all about, feel free to reach out to me. You can comment down below, or you can send me a message. Either way, I would love to pen pal with you. So I'm going to decorate envelopes really quick. I'm going to keep it super, super, super simple. Okay, I'm just going to use these three little dolphins. I'm going to do some washi tape, and it's going to be really, really easy peasy. Really, really easy peasy. Oh, except for this washi tape, every once in a while has a little line. You can see it right there. Drives me bonkers sometimes. Bonkers, I tell you. A lot of the times I will wrap my washi tape all the way around, depending on how sticky it is, just to give it something on the back side, so when it goes through, that's what she said, when it goes through the it doesn't have to snag on anything. This is a super cute way to just dress up your envelopes. It's nothing fancy, but if you're like me, if you get something like this in your mailbox and you open your mailbox and you see this, you're like, oh, this is not a bill. This is not a bill. This is something fun. This is something that was made for you out of love. Somebody took the time to sit down with a bunch of stickers and a bunch of washi tape and just get creative for you. And that is probably one of my favorite parts, is designing the envelopes for all of my pen pals. Now I'm going to put their address here. I'm not going to show that on air, obviously, because I don't want to give away somebody else's address. I'm also going to do a little matching goodies, because you got to have the little goodies to go along with the letter. Is this a requirement? No. And if you are a pen pal, and if you pen pal with someone, you know that sending stuff is not a requirement. I send stuff only because it helps me go through my stock, if that makes sense. Like when I send my goodies to my, whatchamacallits, pen pals, good grief. Good grief, Martha Stewart, learn your words. When I send goodies, that means I get to use up some of my goodies, and they get a little surprise, which is always, always fun. So I'm going to write on this really quick, and all I'm going to say is goodies. with a little heart, right? And in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include 3 stickers, or 4 stickers, so that they have, actually, is it 4? Yeah, 4 stickers, so that they have some stickers that go with my theme, right? And I think I put that dolphin upside down. Now that I'm looking at it, I think this dolphin's upside down. He is. That's okay. It's okay. We'll say that's creative licensing. Also, I want to include some washi tape. So what I did is I just picked out a smorgasbord that went with my kind of blue under the water theme. And I am just going to add a few little turns of washi so that my pen pal, has a little bit of washi to use. And these are old cards that I've just cut apart. This is just paper. Like when I get Christmas cards, I will save the back of them if they're not written on, and then I will just recycle them for washi tape. Depending on how I do it, I may do 1 pass, I may do 3 passes. It just really depends on how I'm feeling and how much washi tape I have on the roll. That's really what decides how much washi tape I'm putting on the little card here. So, and the other great thing is, usually your pen pals don't know one another. Like, they're not in the same city, they're not in the same state. So if you include like this for one of yours, that doesn't mean you have to include it for all. What if you don't have enough washi tape that everybody gets matching? Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it, because they don't know. Like, they don't know what washi you included for anybody else, right? So they're just going to be super duper happy that you sent them anything. I mean, that's how I feel. When I get something extra, I'm just like, oh my gosh, thank you so very much. So goodies here. That almost looks like Gucci's. Perfect. So this one, other than my letter and my address, that is all that needs to go in here. And you'll notice my stamps even have a little bit of gold on them. They're the Lunar New Year. They're the forever stamps. I love them. Obviously, this is my mailing address if you guys want to send me anything. I love how I'm just showing that off. So that is it. And then my letter, of course, will go in here with it. But that's all there is to it. The second one, you can do them all the same. You can do them all exactly the same, or you can do them all different. Like there's no rhyme or reason. Like you don't have to do them all the same. You can do them all differently. And I don't know, my post office, is that in screen? Yeah. My post office loves seeing what I've done. Like they're like, oh my gosh, this is so cool. No, I don't think that was upside down, because, well, maybe. They're always like so supportive when I go in. They're like, oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. Or they'll say, oh, I remember when you did this. And when they have new people at the post office, they're like, oh yeah, this is Plan with April. She does YouTube videos and stuff. And so, ironically, I even have some people at the post office who enjoy seeing what kind of creations I come up with, which is fun. It is a bowl of fun. Getting better at tearing these off. They're kind of thin, but the back is really thick plastic. So you have to get your nail just right. Just right. There is my second envelope. Cute as a bug. And I think on this one, I'm going to do, I really like this washi. So I'm going to include this one in this pack. Remember, you don't have to do the same for all of them. You do not have to do the same. And you also don't have to feel like you have to send a whole roll of washi tape. If you just want to send a little bit, just send a little bit. If you don't want to send any, don't send any at all. I'll tell you, when I get pen pal letters, the one thing that I look forward to the very most is the letter. Tell me about you. Tell me about your day. Tell me what's happening. Tell me about your family. Those are the things that I enjoy when I open up a pen pal letter. Sure, the goodies are fun and they're extra and they're awesome, but they are not required if you want to write and be my pen pal. That is not something that I require. If you want to send goodies, feel free. I won't turn them down, but they are not required to be my pen pal. Perfect. And then I'm just going to add the washi tape in this tiny little envelope. So cute. So darn cute. And then the little stickers that I want included. Put those in there. Dun, dun, dun. A little piece of washi to seal it up. Boop. Oh, scrunch that down just a tiny bit more. There you go. Oh, get your head in there. Get your head in there. You don't need to be sticking your head out. Perfect. And then put a little dolphin here. The right way? I think so. Was I doing it this way? This way. There is a method to my madness. Sometimes. Sometimes not. Oh, this one's not going to do it. Be nice. Be cooperative. Please. Please be cooperative. Nope, you're not going to. Do I need to flip you the other way? I don't know. Why is it that I go into accent mode? I don't know. I don't know. But I'm going to lose my patience. Oh, a dolphin on the loose. A dolphin on the loose. Somebody grab that tiny little dolphin. Put him back in my hand. Maybe not. Maybe this one's not getting a dolphin. Nope. Last try on that dolphin. Let's try this dolphin. Let's try this one. Maybe this one would like to go to my pen pal. Would you like to go? Yes, you would. Good job. Good job. All right. Dun, dun, dun. Snip off the tail. Sorry there, Mr. Tail. And then we'll just write on this one as well. Some goodies. Perfect. So then this one will go in here. Cute as a bug, right? So cute. And then I will address that one. And then the last one we're going to do today, all of these are going to match because we're using very similar colors. Of course, we're using the same stickers. So all of these are obviously going to match. Like, you're not going to question that the washi tape came from the same shades of blue. You wouldn't necessarily be like, oh, these are completely different packs of stickers. They're not. They're the same. So it doesn't matter how your envelope necessarily is decorated. Like, you can decorate it however it suits you. They're all going to look really good. And I'll show you once I'm done with this one. They all will look very, very nice in their packs. Like, they'll just look really, really pretty. And you'll probably get some comments from your postmaster. But also, now my pen pals who watch this are going to be like, oh my gosh, this is what I'm getting. Sorry, guys. This is not a sneak peek, but it is. So I'm going to just put this here. Which leaves me still plenty of room to address over here. And then I'm going to do my washi. Simple, simple. Just some lines that go with the front. And again, if you want to do the same washi that you put on the card, do it. I think, or on the envelope, I think that's a great way to kind of tie it all in. But again, nobody is going to necessarily be like, oh, well, April didn't use that washi tape. She used this washi tape instead. No. 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 Let me know in the comments down below, what do you look forward to most in your pen pal letters? Or are you a pen paler? Do you have any pen pals? And if so, where is the longest distance pen pal that you have? Like, who is your longest distance pen pal? Someone that you write who is the furthest away. Who is the furthest away? I think I'm going to do these and this one. And then just want a little swap up at the top. Nothing too much. Dun, dun, dun. And also, if you do have pen pals, what got you into pen paling? I know it's kind of an old, people always tell me, you must be old. I'm not. Okay, I kind of am. I mean, I'm not a whippersnapper by any means, but I got into pen paling when I was 13, and my parents moved away from the city we were living in at the time. My best friend lived there, and so that's when I started writing, when I was 13, and she and I still keep in touch with each other. I adore her and her family. She's a very wonderful person. So anyway, that is when my journey started for pen paling, was back when I was 13 years old. Oops, mistake. Hold on, fixable. Boop. Easy breezy. Yeah, and I write once a month. I'll sit down and just do all my letters. So decorate my little envelopes. And then usually what I will do is I will just take a piece of notebook paper. I'll show you really quick. It's easy. I will just take a piece of regular notebook paper or a dot grid paper and put the matching washi on it so that it all kind of ties in together. And that is what I use to write my letter on. So if I just reach down here and I grab one of my regular notebooks, right? Just a regular fancy schmancy notebook paper. There's nothing too crazy about this, right? Like we all have notebook paper. And I will just rip off a couple of sheets of washi tape and lay that down here. And then maybe put a couple here at the bottom. I'll add stuff as I'm writing too. Like if I want to do like a big word, just to kind of like capture the essence of what I'm doing, I will do that as well. Oh, this washi is getting sticky. I need to use this one up. It's getting old. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, so there's that. And then I will just take like a big whale that matches, of course, because it's part of the same sticker kit. And then this will be what I use to write my letter on. So it all matches, but it doesn't have to be fancy. It doesn't, I mean, this is just regular notebook paper. Then I am taking this beautiful little whale sticker, sticking it at the bottom, laying it down, and then I will just start my letter. So I'll write their name really big up here and then just start my letter here. So it's super, super easy, super non-conventional sometimes. But when you look at it, I mean, look how pretty this looks. You've got all of your envelopes, right? Remember what I said, they all match? They're not exactly the same, but they all go together beautifully. So there's my little tutorial on how to make some pen pal envelopes and letters out of your washi tape and just some stickers that you have laying about. You can make little goodie bags and everything for them. So if you are interested in pen paling, feel free to send me a letter. I'll put my mailing address down below in the description box as well. I hope you guys have the very best day. Remember to subscribe. Fridays are fun days, so sometimes it's planner related, sometimes it's pen pal related. It's just Fridays are for fun. Love you. Have a good weekend. Bye.